Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your Wells Fargo's debit card. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first is online activation, and how you want to do this is to just go to the Wells Fargo's website and sign into your account. And then once you're signed in, just click on the account service tab, and then what you want to do is to select the activate debit card option. And now just enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. And now just create a new PIN for your debit card, and that's pretty much it. Now for mobile activation, what you want to do is to get the Wells Fargo's mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices if you don't have it already. But if you do, just go ahead and sign into your account on the mobile app, and then just choose the account service option, and then select the activate debit card option, and then just enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, and just create a new PIN for your debit card, and that's going to help you to activate it. Now for phone activation, what you want to do is to call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number right there on the screen, and then just share the card number, expiration date, and security code with the representative, and you're gonna need to create a new PIN for your debit card, and that's gonna help to activate it. Now for ATM activation, what you want to do is just use a Wells Fargo's ATM to activate your card, and then just follow the on-screen instructions to activate that card. And of course you're going to need to create a PIN for your debit card. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to activate your Wells Fargo's debit card. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.